Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5078885 on your Windows 10 computer. Now the first step is to open Windows settings and then go to update and security and then go to Windows update, and over here you can see pause option. You can hit pause over here. So pause the update. Once paused, now click on resume updates and then you can check. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Now find Windows Update, scroll down somewhere at the bottom, you will see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update, then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a right click and then click on restart. Now find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. Make a right click on app readiness and then click on restart. Now once this is done, you can go back. If you see the retry option over here, you can hit retry over here and then try to update. Still not working. The next step is to run update troubleshooter. To run update troubleshooter, you can go to Windows settings and then go to update and security, go to troubleshoot option and click on additional troubleshooters. Over here you can see Windows update, click on it, click on run the troubleshooter and let the troubleshoot complete. This process will take some time. Once this is done, you can restart your computer and then update your Windows 10. Still not working, run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab, make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only, click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command. All these commands are provided in the video description. Paste it, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, then you can copy the second command. Paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once this second scan is 100% complete, then copy the third command and then paste it on the same window. And once this third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can update your Windows 10 and then check. Still not working. The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. For this, you can open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description. This will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, you can write down the name of the update. Now over here, type in the name of the update, that is KB5078885 and then click on search. Now, first of all, check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box and then click on WinVer run command. And here you can, in my case, the version is 22H2. So check your version and then open Windows settings and then you can go to system in Windows settings and then go to about option and check your system type. So for me, the system type is 64-bit operating system. So for me, it's Windows 10 version 22H2, Windows 10 version 22H2 x64 base system. This is the right one for me. So click on download. And then you have to click on the update, that is KB5078885. Click on it. And then let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file and you can install this update manually and then restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The next step is to use media creation tool. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. So click on download now and then you can run this exe file. Run this exe file and then click on accept over here. By default, upgrade this PC now would be selected. Click on next and let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on accept over here. And here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So make sure this is checked and then hit install. And after the installation, you can log into the computer and then update your Windows 10. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install the update successfully on your Windows 10 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.